What's up, everybody? Jason learns to walk and talk. I'm here in New York City, just crossing Canal Street at West Broadway. We're gonna do a walk between Canal Street and Houston Street. As you can tell, it was raining this evening. It's still raining, but it's definitely lightening up. And so I think it's alright to take this camera out and do a little walk with you. Today's August 10th, 2021. 2021.
I'll start cooking your burger tomorrow. I want it well done.
Check out this building, 325 West Broadway. Beautiful lobby, it's really cool. Gotta like that. I like the artistic design of that. Here's Grand Street. There's a bike path. No one's using it. It's better not to go right around in this kind of rain, unless you're getting paid for it, like delivering food. Otherwise, there's no reason to do it. So it's a Tuesday evening, and looks like well, although that restaurant's out of business, looks like. But this restaurant definitely isn't, Felix. And it's not even open today. I guess Tuesday's a slow day, so may as well take off. That's a double cab pickup. Nice. This is one of those classic parking lots of New York City. Now, I've known New York City all my life, and Soho's changed a lot. But now it's changed again since the pandemic. When the pandemic came, wow, Soho was just dead. Then the riots came after George Floyd, and it just got worse. But it's pretty fixed up now. Ken's Broom Street Bar. That one's been there forever. This is the traffic heading on to Holland Tunnel. From here they just speed off into New Jersey. So you really gotta watch out, because this is where cars really do speed. And they really do hit you. It's a reminder when you come to New York City, watch out. Everyone says that the New Jersey drivers drive differently than the New York City drivers. I would agree. I'm not saying they're bad drivers, it's just they drive differently. They drive like they're in New Jersey, you know, without pedestrians. If you guys are enjoying this video, let me know. Give me a thumbs up and just give me a comment and tell me what other things you think I could do with this channel. And what I could do better. Maybe I could walk slower. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see how this works. It's a Tuesday evening here, and honestly, New York still feels pretty quiet. However, if you come out on a weekend, it's still pretty active, but weekday, it's pretty different. It's just really peaceful, really quiet. I say that because I'm comparing to what it was like before pandemic, but I understand some people wouldn't consider this quiet. It is for me. Now we're crossing Spring Street. Perhaps I should walk slower on this walk. I'll find out. We'll watch this walk together. But I'm headed to meet some people at a bar on McDougal Street. Food delivery. Hello.
I wish they would. But they're not. They're like
So the time right now is kind of like 8:45 p.m. And wow, this really is quiet. Daytime's got people, you know, but still a lot of empty shops. Prime real estate right here. All empty. West Broadway and Prince Street. The Coach bag shop is here. I remember during the George Floyd kind of looting, the looting that happened afterwards, this place was emptied out. Emptied out. But it's all back. Business is all just coming back, but not immediately. We're almost to Houston Street. Not all the places are empty. This building is pretty full. A lot of shops here. Alright, this is Houston. I'm about to end this video in just a bit. We're making our way through. It's about to hit me. Crazy. Anyway, that's New York City. I need to watch out. I need to take my own advice. We're gonna end this video here. Thank you all for watching. Have a great night. Bye-bye.